minutes in the lay-by then, before we need to go and do our chicken run around Hool today. Volvo B10M. It's a gear lever and another pedal. So on the main panel here, radio and announcement system and things on there. Door open and close buttons. All the lighting for luggage compartment, cab light, night lights, saloon lights, racks. The vents on this are switched electric things for mirrors and side lights on the panels on the side. Front and rear fog lights. Down here you've got all the air conditioning controls, heat and ventilation, aircon, extra fans, recirculation and things down there. Little cubby. Main switch on the main dash here, Volvo layout here, side lights and headlights, cold start. Master switch is by itself on there, and start and stop is on the key. The normal sort of dial layout, indicators left, wipers right. Your tachograph, oil and battery over that side, this side, air, temperature, fuel, handbrake position over here, just a couple of warning lights on this side, ferry lift and things. So that's it, it's 3 plus 2 in here, so 3 that side and 2 that side, rear door, courier seat with a few extra bits and pieces, switches on there, microphone, plug type door. Yeah, a little tour around the Volvo van Hool.